Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through different ways to schedule and move strips using the Set Day of the Strip feature. First, let's start with individual orders. Select and right-click on the strip. Choose Set Day of the Strip and then select as individual orders. You'll see the strip now starts at the beginning of the day. Now, let's schedule in bulk. Hold Ctrl on your keyboard and click to select multiple strips. While holding Ctrl, right-click on any of the selected strips. Choose Set Day of the Strip, then select as bulk orders. Now can see the strips move to the nearest start date. Moving strips to today's date, select one or more strips. Right-click and go to Set Day of the Strip, then click Move to Today. You'll notice the selected strips now appear under today's date. Move a strip to the end of a previous strip. Select the strip you want to move. Right-click, choose Set Day of the Strip, then click at the end of the strip. The strip now starts right after the previous one ends. This also works for multiple strips using the bulk selection method. Finally, to set a specific start date, right-click the strip, choose Set Day of the Strip, then select Specific Date Time. Pick your date, and now the strip will begin exactly on that scheduled start date. And that's it. You now know how to use all the strip date settings inside Opteze. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.